Oh, hello. Didn't notice you there. What's up, everybody? This is my Gunpla Elephant Grave collection. Epion. That's a cool one. Gundam Wing is one of my favorite shows. And then Endless Waltz. That was even better almost. But these here are all my collection. This here, all these forward, I found at Goodwill for $5 in one of those toy bags. So always check the clearance section, random things. Always do that. You'll find some gems. I got like 10 Gunpla for $5. Some of them are missing parts and stuff, but that's still rad, eh? I got that from my old roommate, those two Unicorn Gundams. Then I got some 3-1s I'm trying to build right now.